In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your tax returns from TurboTax. By the end, you'll have a clean PDF copy of your returns saved and ready for things like loan applications, income verification, or your own records. First, open TurboTax in your web browser and sign into your Intuit account. Make sure you're using the same account you used when you filed, especially if you've had more than one login over the years. If you have trouble signing in, use the account recovery options on the Sign In page. Once you're in, you'll land on the Tax Home dashboard. If you don't see it right away, look for a Tax Home link in the main navigation to get to your dashboard. From the dashboard, scroll down until you see the section labeled Your Tax Returns and Documents. This is where TurboTax organizes your filings by year. You should see a list of available tax years. If it looks limited at first glance, try expanding any drop-downs or show links so all years are visible. Choose the year you want to download. Click on that tax year to open the options for that specific return. You'll see choices like Download Return, Download PDF, or View Return. Wording can vary slightly depending on the version you used, but they all lead to the same place, your return file. If you haven't signed in yet or you need a quick way to get to TurboTax, use the link in the description to access your account and view your tax documents. Next, select Download Print Return, PDF. TurboTax will prepare the file. This can take a few moments. In some cases, you may be offered a summary version and a full version with all forms and schedules. Choose the one that fits your needs. If a lender asked for your complete return, pick the full or all forms option. When your browser prompts you, choose where to save the PDF on your computer or device. A dedicated folder for taxes is a good idea, and using a clear file name like taxreturn_2023 will make it easy to find later. Locate the saved PDF and open it to confirm everything downloaded correctly. If nothing appears after you click download, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or downloads from TurboTax. Finally, keep a copy for your records. Store it in a secure location, and consider a backed-up, protected folder or a secure cloud drive. Your tax return contains sensitive information, so keep it private and only share it when necessary. Thanks for watching.